Hey, how's it going? Great to see you. Today I wanted to talk to you about a new piece of software that I've come across called Yolocast. This is an online service by the same people that have made the YOLO box for us, and I just wanted to tell you all about this thing because I think it's a real game changer for small, low budget streamers and content creators and online gamers and the like. So Yolocast is basically an online service. It's similar to the YouTube streaming platform, but does quite a bit more. It's a service that provides all of the tools needed to produce and stream a professional broadcast event to one or many target platforms, so you can send it out to YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, and anything else that accepts an RTMS service. It will stream at 1080p 60 frames per second, so it's perfect for sports streams, sports events, games, gamers, online gamers, that sort of thing. It will stream for 24/7, so the show never has to stop if you're running something like a YouTube based radio station or back-to-back talk shows, or have a lot of interviewers that just keep going all day and all night all around the world. This thing can handle it. You can also have concurrent live streams, so you can have multiple shows running, multiple live streams running on the same Yolocast account. You don't need a new account for every time you're running a stream. So for example, I've got a cooking channel, I've got my tech channel, and I'm starting up a gaming channel. If I had other people presenting videos on those, we could be running streams on all three of them at the same time, and that's pretty awesome. Of course, you want to know how those streams are going, so the real-time analytics that come with Yolocast are really helpful as well. They're going to tell you how your videos and your streams are performing, who's watching it, how long they're watching it for, all of that sort of neat stuff, so that you can go back and review them and tweak them like you do with any video you're creating online at the moment. There's a web-based overlay app which gives you TV quality, sports graphics, in-game stats, all of those really neat dynamic overlays. You can put adverts, there are countdown timers, and heaps more bits and pieces like that. There's also automated captioning, so you can make your recorded broadcast more acceptable afterwards with automatic captions that you can apply straight after you've finished the event. It's also got highlight clipping, so you can use that to go to particular highlights that you've noted within your stream and capture these moments and then post them up as shorts or on TikTok or YouTube or stories, wherever you want to, like that. There's also video replacement, which is something that a lot of people have been asking for on other platforms. This means that you can update the stream afterwards. You might be able to get rid of all those little things where you fumble a word. You can edit those little bits out, and then you can upload your edited stream, maybe with better video quality, or tidy up the audio, all that sort of thing, upload it and replace the stream, so that when people come back to review your stream later, it's a bit tidier and just looks more professional. You can also stream privately, set passwords, for example, so that your live streams can be safe and secure if you're reusing this for business purposes or training or something like that. There's also monetization available. You can turn that on at the moment by clicking a button and enabling donations. This is an easy way just to earn some revenue off your streams. I really hope we see some more monetization stuff coming later on, like paywall, but we'll have to wait and see what YoloLive do with that. There are also graphic overlays available, the same as we see on the YOLO box. These can be used to boost your brand identity by adding graphics like name tags, logos, lower thirds kind of things, scrolling things, watermarks, countdown timers, scoreboards, and even adverts, which is another way that you can use to monetize your videos. There's also video trimming available. This is used to clean up the beginning and the end of your live stream for people who come and watch the show after the fact, so they don't have to sit through 5 minutes of countdown timer before they get to the meat of your introduction, and then there's not a big overflow at the end as well when you've finished. So that all sounds very nice and easy, but how do you use the whole thing? Well, that's really simple as well. You can use any encoders like a YOLO box or an ATEM Mini, OBS, basically anything that can stream to an RMTP device. These devices, you can have one or more of them, upload the video or stream the video up to Yolocast's streaming cloud service, and from there you can broadcast out to multiple destinations. Really straightforward. There's very little you have to do to maintain it. Yolocast also provides some awesome new features and technologies. For example, their Ardent Streaming Protocol. This is a new protocol that basically means that even if you're on a really poor internet connection, it creates a huge amount of buffer so that you can make sure your viewers are always getting an uninterrupted service when they're viewing it. They have automated scheduling so that you can predefine start and stop times for your streams and services. There's also their simulated live, so you can broadcast a pre-recorded video and have it look like it's a live video. This is great if you're doing the 24/7 streaming, by the way, because you could rebroadcast this show a few times over a period of time, and it just keeps the continual stream going and gives your viewers an opportunity to come back and rewatch something if they didn't have a chance to watch it when it was actually live. For example, you've got people that live in multiple different time zones that might be asleep when something first goes on air. As well as being able to broadcast to YouTube, Twitch, Facebook and any other service, you can also stream directly to your own website by using the embed tool that's available with Yolocast. It's just a bit of HTML that you put into your web page so that people can go to your website with your marketing and other information that you might want them to see, and they can view your stream live right inside your viewer. There are lots of options on how you can use and configure this, and I'm going to get into those and a lot of other detail in other videos. So make sure that you do subscribe to this and leave any questions about any of this in the comment section down below, because I'm going to be making a whole heap of videos about Yolocast and all of its features coming up, and you're not going to want to miss any of them. Yolocast also has a really intuitive media center built in, where you can store a lot of clips and images and overlays and things that you want to use in your streams, in your videos, or as adverts, or maybe simulated lives, or just have other shows and things ready to go. So whether you're into streaming sports events, church events, weddings, corporate events, whatever it is, Yolocast has got all the tools that you need to make it just work seamlessly. There are a few different subscription level options, and I'm going to put links in the description down below so that you can go and check those out for yourself. It's a great product and a fantastic price, and if you keep an eye out, they do have some really good special deals going on as well. I'll leave links to any special deals that pop up in the description, and I'll edit that so that there's always a good deal link in there if one's currently available for you. And finally, one thing I absolutely love about all of the YoloLive products is that there is a fantastic amount of community support, but not just like the community support you get with a lot of other products. The YoloLive team get heavily involved, and they really listen to and respond to and have conversations with their customers. That's you. So if there's anything you want or could use, or you think that the entire community of users as a whole could benefit from, they listen and they ask questions and refine it. And a lot of this stuff is what ends up in their products, because they really understand that providing users what they want is how they're going to develop a great product that is going to benefit the most number of people. So hopefully this has been interesting and relevant to you and answers some of your questions. If you do have questions that haven't been answered, let me know down below. I'll put a link to the forums as well so that you can go and join in and ask any questions you want there also. Don't forget to subscribe here so that you do see all these videos that I've got coming up. I'm going to put a link to this playlist in the description below as well. It's a lot of links for you to click on, and watch this video and this video because they're going to be really useful for you as well. Thanks for sticking around watching. I'll see you in another video soon.